Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at the progress of the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. Now this highway, it runs from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. So as you can see, we are at the Harborview roundabout and we're going to take a tour to see just how far the construction has reached and basically give you guys an update. So we are in the Harborview area now and we're going to come up to the Harborview Bridge. Now the highway officially starts at the Harborview Bridge and will run through St. Andrew, the parish of St. Andrew, the parish of St. Thomas, and end in the parish of Portland. And in Portland, this highway will connect to the Northern Coastal Highway, which will take you through the parishes of Portland, St. Mary, St. Anne, Trelawney, St. James, and Westmoreland. Alright, so this, at the end of this bridge now, this is the Harborview Bridge. This is where the highway will officially start. And it's going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway from here all the way to Yalos. The Yalos Bridge, it's going to be a 4 lanes dual carriageway. And then from the Yalos Bridge to Port Antonio, it's going to be 2 lanes in some places, 4 lanes in some places. Now between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles in Bull Bay, the highway is going to run along the existing road. So as you can see, this section of the road is 4 lanes, and this is where the highway will run. Now over here, you can see this road is 3 lanes. So on the right, you can see them clearing this, well, I shouldn't say the right, but somewhere along here, they are going to, I think it's the right, or it could be the left, they are going to make it into 4 lanes. So it's going, the new highway is going to run along this existing road, but it's going to be 4 lanes. Some cases they'll build it on the left, some cases they'll put in additional lanes on the right. So this now this section where we're at, you can see they've cleared the space to the right. Now they had to tear down or remove over 600 structures to build this highway. So there you can see the road has been cleared on the right, and they are actually in the process of building the lanes there. Now straight ahead you can see the state of this road. So the highway is a welcome sight. It's something that is needed. So on this section, it's going to be 4 lanes. They will renovate the existing road and make it into a highway quality road. And the highway is going to be built in sections. And it's not going to be a toll road, it's going to be a regular road. You don't have to pay toll to use it. And that's because the highway is being funded by the Jamaican government. So there is no reason to have a toll road. Highway 2000 was funded by foreign companies, and they were given a concession to collect toll to pay back for the building of the highway. So this highway is scheduled to be finished in 2025, the entire stretch from Harborview to Port Antonio. But as we said, it's being built in phases, so as soon as one phase is finished, you'll be allowed to drive on it. And there are actually sections of the highway that are finished that you're allowed to drive on now. So there you can see the construction of the highway going on the right. And as we said, between Harborview and Buff Bay, it's going to run along the alignment of the existing road. And the existing road is 2 lanes. So that's why they had to purchase the land to the right, in this case, and remove the structures and build 2 additional lanes for the highway over there. So this kind of construction will continue all the way to Buff Bay. Now this section, it's a bridge, so they've built an additional bridge to the right. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up. There on the right you can see the roadway being worked on. Okay, so in this section now, the road is going to be extended. The 2 additional lanes will be built on the left. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.